Hello Pythonistas! Welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we will be seeing our first module in Python, which is random module. So random module, as the name suggests, it is going to do all the random things available in Python. So yeah, without moving further, we can move. Yeah, so the definition of this random module is it can process many random operations which are available in Python, and to use this particular random module, we are going to import random. Yeah, so after importing random, these are some of the built-in functions available inside random module. Random.randRange. So this randRange will generate a random number in a specified range. Do you remember the range which we used for a for loop? The same range function it acts here. The same thing, like the first parameter to be the starting value, second parameter to be the ending value, and third parameter with the step count. If you provide all these three values, it will generate a random number within those range of numbers. So this is basically a random rand range, I can say. Then randint, it will generate a random integer between the specified integer types. Like if you want a random integer from 10 to 30, then you can just write random.randint of 10 to 30, where the 30 will not be included, 10 is included. And random, just random.random, it will generate a random floating point between 0.0 to 1.0. So a random number between zero point 0 to 0.1 is going to be generated with the help of random.random. And shuffle, shuffle will actually shuffle the whole list. If you are giving a list and if you are providing a shuffle to it, it will shuffle, it will reorder the elements and give to you. This will be useful for many games. I can say you can just shuffle and print a number, which is going to be really interesting. And choice, this will basically select one choice from the list of choice available, and if the list is empty, it will throw an index error. If the list is not empty, it will just provide one particular choice from the list available. So these are all the main functions which are available in random. So we can just fastly do it and see. So as I said below, so first we are going to import random to do all these things. And yeah, so we can start with print statement. Print, I am going to print random even numbers between 1 to maybe 100. So if you are going to write random dot rand range of the first number which I am going to consider here is 2, and the second last number is still 100 we are going to consider, and my step count is going to be 2. So 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6 it will be considering, so that one random even number will be picked with the help of this particular function. Okay. Now if I just want a range of numbers and any number I can just check, then I can say print ten to 100. If I am going to print one random number between 10 to number 100, I am going to write random.rand int of 10 comma 100. So this will solve our purpose to generate a random number between 10 to 100. Now the next thing I am going to do is I am going to print one item from the fruit basket. So here we need random.choice, and here inside I will write a sequence for fruit basket maybe directly. Apple, orange, pineapple, sorry, grapes. So from this list, it will choose one particular fruit from this list and display it. That is basically the choice. And then at last, I can shuffle and show you a list. Maybe what list can we take? Maybe a vegetable basket. So vegetable is equal to, I am going to write carrot, beans, and onion. So if I want to shuffle this vegetable list, I am going to use random dot shuffle, and what I'm going to shuffle? Veg. And now I can print this shuffled vegetable list. And then print veg. So yeah, we can just run and see the exciting outputs here. Yes, can you see? So one even number between 1 to 100, it has chosen 88 for us. One number between 10 to 100, it has chosen 26. And one item from the fruit basket is orange for us. And the shuffled vegetable list is going to be onion, carrot and beans. But the actual list which we have given is carrot, beans and onion. We can run again and see some other set of numbers. Can you see? 84, 53, again it is orange and again it is onion, carrot and beans. Run again. So it is 2, 19 and it is grapes now and it is carrot, beans and onion. If you can see, these are the main operations which we can do with this random module, and I hope this is going to be really interesting. We can create many fun oriented games with the help of random module. And yeah, that's it friends. Bye bye. This is Shravanti.